When a business has an HVAC system down, there's no time to waste. It's literally costing them money.
Lennox has been in the emergency replacement market in the past. Why is it different this time?
Lennox Commercial is investing in emergency replacement to better serve our customers.
And the number one thing they said they needed from us was more inventory, shorter lead times, and at the quality they expect.
It starts by the factory. We've built a second factory to support the emergency replacement pipeline, but we've also invested heavily in people and processes.
Our commitment is to return quotes back to our customers within 2 hours. We want to make sure we have inventory where we can deploy the unit you need to the site where you want it within 24 hours across 99% of North America.
Overall, this is going to be a much better customer experience for everyone that works and partners with Lennox.